Hey, how's it going, everyone? Chris Salinas here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. We are staying at the Mahekal Beachfront Resort, a non-all-inclusive, which is just down the street from 5th Avenue. Let's go take a walk and check this place out. Well, this is the main entrance where everyone is dropped off. To the left, we see that they offer bikes that you can rent. This is the main lobby where people check in. Let's continue our walk. Nice little area to sit at night with a fireplace. Let's take a walk into the activity center. As you guys can see, they have a ping pong table, a bar area. Hi, hola, saludos de YouTube. Greetings from YouTube, everyone.
Hola.
Hola, hola. Here to the left, they have a big TV where they show sports, baseball games, basketball games at night. Nice size pool tables. Gift and art shop, so you guys don't have to travel far for your souvenirs and gifts. As we make our way past the boutique. Buenos días, good morning. Hola, buenos días. Hola, hola, buenos días. Right, so let's head on over towards the swimming pool area. A very quiet resort. Very quiet at night, nice and dark. I love the rooms. The rooms give you that very relaxed, in nature feel. Little bungalow style huts. These right here are pretty cool for a group as they are linked together. And they have another set directly across from them. Man, it feels like we're in the jungle. All right, so something I will mention is that the rooms do not have TVs or mini bars. If you wish to have a TV, you can book the residence, which has everything you need, including a laundry room. Well, let's make our way over to one of the restaurants. All right, so this is Fuego, an international style restaurant, which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. As you can see, they have a pizza oven. Very nice place to come and have a meal. Here's the bar area. Hola, buenas tardes. Saludos de YouTube. All right, well, let's make our way back to the swimming pool. It is a heated swimming pool. They keep the water at a nice temperature, not too hot, not too cold. Plenty of seats, plenty of shade. The restrooms are right to the left of the swimming pool. Well, it's time to make my way back to the room for a noon checkout. I always like to take a video of where we stay so we can keep for a nice memory and so I can share with everyone on YouTube. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe, share with all your friends. Signing out.